Oh, hey guys. Right. We're full of, okay. So, again, thanks guys for watching. Pathfinder versus this other one, right? So, obviously, they're both usable, right? Obviously, Pathfinder being in the probably between 30 and 40 pound range is going to be better. It's a thicker steel, definitely wider, as you can see. This is a lot skinnier, but it's a little bit taller. So they're both 1 liter, so you can put a water tablet in this one. At least you know your measurement already. I've taken this one out today, and I filled them both up, but neither of them leaked. This one I've always used. This one is one I'm trying to experiment with today with. So this set is pretty good. I never had any issues with it, and it comes with, I'll show you everything, this cup, right? So you have you got your strainer bit on top, measurements on the inside, all the rest of it. So, but like I said, I used it a lot today and it held up well. The handles were good, no warping on the handles. Like I said, nice, fits inside nice, bit of space. There you go. That one fits in as well, and that's the Pathfinder one. So just give you an idea, if you do buy it, you can switch the bottles around. But as for these 2 bottles, lid fits really good on it. It also has the holes for the fish mouth, which do come with it. I do have the bellow, which I've been using a lot today because all the wood seems to be wet. Everything came in a little mesh bag, and it does come with its fish mouth spreaders, and everything fits in here nicely, even the lid as well on top. So I was really impressed with that. I'm just going to show you how compact it is. Just trying to do everything nice here. Right, so the mesh is not thin, it's kind of a thick soft one, so that was nice. So you got that in there. Fish mouth spreaders go down the side, and then the bellow, which is my pocket, goes in like that, and then you have the lid which goes nicely on top, and then that's your there. So that's it. And that's compact, 1 liter cup. You could probably, there's plenty of room in here, so you could get a spoon if you wanted to, or something like that. I mean, my Pathfinder one goes into these knockoff Condor ones, you know, but again, because I have a pocket in the front, you tend to fill it, which makes this thing a lot heavier, but that's just me, know these things. But anywho, the focus is on this one here. So now, am I saying don't get the Pathfinder one? No, what I'm saying is, if you like the Pathfinder one, but if it's out of your budget, then there are other options. This one's eBay. I think I paid £18 for it. And like I said, this was between 30 and 40 pounds. So, you know, the idea, obviously, I have a lot of Pathfinder stuff. I do like the company. But for the budget people who want to go out and enjoy themselves, but can't afford the Pathfinder stuff, here's another healthy option. And the cup, I boiled this cup 3 times today. I had no warping. Nothing got ruined. It's going to be a pain in the ass to clean later, but you know, I'm not too fussed about that. But again, if it's right inside your bag, you know, no problem. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was a really nice find. The bellow was nice too. Like I said, I used that a lot today. I normally make my own, but that's quite a compact one. Put in your pocket, you don't even know about it. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next video.